Imagine eating healthy every day and still gaining weight. Sounds crazy, right? But it's happening to millions of people right now, not because they're lazy, but because they've been told the wrong things about fat loss, and here's the problem. Most people are working so hard, but in the wrong way. They go for long runs, starve themselves, buy creams and belts, and still see no change. Meanwhile, their belly fat, the one thing they want gone the most, seems to laugh and stay right where it is. Let me ask you, does walking actually beat running? Is sweating really a sign of fat loss? Why does belly fat always show up first and disappear last? And should you be lifting weights or just sticking to cardio? We researched this deeply, and so you don't waste your time, money, or energy. Here's the truth about how fat loss actually works. When you eat less or move more, your body needs extra energy. And when that happens, it turns to its backup system, your fat stores. Think of your fat cells like little savings accounts. When your body needs more energy, it makes a withdrawal. Your fat breaks down, travels through your bloodstream, and fuels your body. But here's the catch. Fat burning only really kicks in when you push past comfort, when you're breathing heavy, when you're sweating, when your muscles are begging you to stop. That's when your body is forced to reach deeper into its fat storage. And here's the craziest part. Every deep breath you exhale during that moment is literally burned fat leaving your body as carbon dioxide. The rest leaves as water, through sweat, breath, and even urine. So yes, when you're breathing hard, that's fat actually leaving. But here's where most people go wrong. They stop right when it starts working. They think, I'm tired, that's enough. And the body goes back to storing energy instead of burning it. Now, let's bust some of the most common fat loss myths. Myth number 1, sweating equals fat loss. Nope, sweat is just your body's cooling system. You lose water, not fat. That's why you gain it back the moment you rehydrate. Myth number 2, you can target belly fat with crunches. Wrong. When you train your abs, you're strengthening the muscles underneath, but your body burns fat systemically, from wherever it's easiest, not from where you want. That's why belly fat is always the last to leave. And here's why. Belly fat has lower blood flow and stubborn alpha-2 receptors that hold on to fat. Meanwhile, areas with more beta-2 receptors let fat go quickly. It's not random. It's your biology. Myth number 3, crash diets work. They don't. They destroy you. When you starve yourself, your body panics. Muscle burns first because it's expensive to keep. Fat is easy to store, and your body thinks, we'll need this later. So you lose muscle, weaken your metabolism, and hold on to more fat. And here's one more. Sweating it out in a sauna, that's just dehydration. You'll weigh less for a few hours, but it's not fat loss. So what actually works? Let's build a plan that uses both science and common sense. Here's a weekly fat loss blueprint. Monday, high-intensity cardio. Sprint, cycling, hill runs. These shock your system and trigger afterburn. Your body keeps burning fat even while you're resting later. Tuesday, full body strength training. Squats, presses, rows, deadlifts, then take a light walk. This protects your muscle and signals your body to hold on to it. Wednesday, steady cardio, 45 to 60 minutes. Start normal, then in the last 20 minutes, slow down but keep moving. Thursday, active recovery. Easy walk, light yoga, gentle cycling. This improves blood flow, oxygen, and keeps your metabolism active. Friday, strength training again. Upper or lower body, then add 20 minutes of light cardio. Think of this as telling your body, keep the muscle, lose the fat. Saturday, long cardio day. Jog, cycle, or brisk walk for 60 to 75 minutes. The longer you go, the more fat you burn, especially in the final half hour. Sunday, rest, or a very gentle walk. Remember, recovery is part of fat loss. This plan works because it combines 3 things: high intensity to trigger fat burning, strength training to protect muscle, and steady cardio to keep fat loss going. Now let's talk about the lazy method, the autopilot hack for people who don't have time. Walk just 10 minutes after every meal. That's it. It lowers blood sugar spikes, improves digestion, and keeps your metabolism quietly active all day long. It won't make you ripped overnight, but over weeks and months, it changes your entire system without stress. Now let's recap the complete fat loss plan in one place. Screenshot this right now. Eat protein with every meal. Mix cardio and weight training. Walk after meals. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Drink at least 3 liters of water. Avoid sugar and processed junk. Simple, practical, and effective. And here's one more overlooked secret: breathing. Fat burning is a process of oxidation. Your body needs oxygen to burn fat. Shallow breathing limits fat loss. Deep belly breathing, slow and controlled, improves oxygen flow and can boost fat burning by up to 20%. So remember, train your breathing like you train your body. At the end of the day, fat loss isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. And once you master that, everything else follows. And just so you know, this isn't just my opinion. According to Harvard Medical School and the American Council on Exercise, fat loss comes down to energy balance, not gimmicks. So forget the magic creams, forget the fat-melting belts, forget the quick fixes. Focus on the science, and the results will come. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more science-backed health videos coming your way.